Looking for reliable matching accessories for your clinical EMG examination? This complete set includes our 5-pin DIN shielded EMG adapter cable and EMG38 disposable concentric EMG needle electrodes. We are professional medical neurodiagnostic consumables manufacturer. Standard 5-pin large DIN aviation plug widely compatible with Natus, Cadwell, Compumedics, Nihon Kohden mainstream EMG diagnostic machines. Dual end overmolded strain relief structure prevents wire breakage, durable for high-frequency daily hospital use. This dedicated 5-pin DIN EMG lead wire perfectly matches EMG25 and EMG38 series concentric EMG needles, plug and play without extra adapters. Our EMG38 single-use concentric EMG needle features standard 38 mm length, 0.45 mm diameter stainless steel needle. Ergonomic non-slip purple plastic hub ensures stable grip during deep muscle puncture. Comes with transparent protective tube to avoid accidental needle stick injury, safe for clinical operation. Contact us now to get competitive bulk price. Ceresenso.com.